Hey y'all, Wacky Weatherman. What's happening with y'all? Well, I'm doing pretty good. I survived the dentist. Well, she pulled two of them. She pulled the one in the very left corner, which was kind of bent a little bit. So let me tell you something. She was great. It was an Aspen Dental. I'll tell you what, the whole thing was really great. Really great. So maybe working on a storm here, maybe. Oh yeah, I kind of see something back in that area. Come on with me, y'all. We're gonna go look. Yep. Yeah, there's something back in there. Well, yeah, not really, but they're talking about maybe a torrential rain. It's gonna basically look like it's gonna be like a pop-up shower or whatever. This is August 8th, 2022, so I finally got both of them teeth extracted, and I'll tell you what, oh man, I can tell the difference if they're gone. So, that one was bent, and the dentist that went to see that I seen the first time, he's like, "Oh, you gotta have to see an oral surgeon to do that. I don't feel comfortable doing it." Well, it's like, well, why the hell did you become a dentist if you don't want to pull teeth? You know? So, but anyway, I'm sorry about the phone. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, James, my man, look at that right there, boy. Zoom in on that puppy. I'm on the third lens. Wow, look at that. Look at that, dude. Look at that right there. God, I need to get my tripod, I think, or my monopod. It's getting a little, yeah, it's getting a little dark. I mean, it's a little cloudy. See if we can see anything. Let me zoom that in. Yeah, see, that's one thing I like about this phone. I'm sorry about the case that squeaks. So, it's just the way it is. Oh, and hey, and I've got I got a Chromebook on the way, so that'll be groovy. Who knows? Who knows? We may do Wacky Weatherman with that thing. You know, where we can come out here and, you know, I can show you Wacky Weatherman stuff with the Chromebook, or I can use it as a tablet. You know, either way. But this right here, and like I said, it was only $44. So, and I hear thunder, and I hear thunder. There we go. See, if you zoom out, if you go back into the one, you kind of lose that a little bit or whatever, you know. Kind of looks more natural, but yeah, it looks like we're going to be getting a little something. So maybe if y'all can see that, but then when I zoom it in, it'll give you a more natural thing here. So either way, you've got both of the best of both worlds. But I don't know if this is actually going to do anything or not. I'm gonna zoom it. I'm going to take the color down a little bit. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to take the color down a little bit. All I have to do is just slide sideways on the screen. I can either slide right or left. If I slide left, it'll darken the screen. If I slide right, it'll brighten the screen. There's what it looks like, y'all. Just for the heck of it. There's what it looks like. Then I get a good wide angle view, wide angle shot of it. So, I don't know if it's gonna be, I don't know if it's gonna really do anything or what, but I tell you what, my hands is kind of getting a little tired here. My arms. So it's a little rough this morning. Boy, I tell you what, boy, she numbed me up. I couldn't even feel my face. I was talking, you know, I was talking like an idiot. It sounded like I had a bunch of marbles in my mouth. Or balls or something. Yeah, boy, anyway, but yeah, there it is. There's what the the cloud looks like for right now. You know, there's never a break in the weather. You know, there's no time in, and there's no time out for the weather at all. So, actually gonna go. Actually, I'm gonna go about right here and we'll look this way. Y'all can hear. And there it is right there on the back side of it. So I don't know if it's gonna do anything in it. Oh, there you go. Look at that cloud right there. But no, as right now, y'all, it's not really doing anything. It's just you got that cloud coming up over here, and so I can actually go down really dark with it. Whoa, you can see it now. You can see the dang contrast now, can't you? You actually can. I'll just zoom it back up like it's supposed to be. Or we can go high up. Or we can go down. Anyway. So it looks like that cloud is just going over. Looks like it's not really gonna be, don't look like it's gonna be doing anything. Sorry if I sound a little weird to y'all. Do 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 do. Doop doop doop. Look at that cloud right there. But then I don't know, it might start raining. Those clouds are full. Oh, I think I might have felt a drop maybe. I think I might have did. I think I did. I think I did. Boy, this is... I'm gonna have to fix this case. Either that or get another one because this one here is kind of squeaky too much. It don't sound good. I think it don't feel good either. It's like... But nobody has cases for these. Maybe an AT&T store. Maybe there's stores somewhere that would have these. Gotta tell you folks, as of right now, it don't look like it's really doing anything. It's not going to be doing nothing. That cloud is just going over. So, I don't see... Hey, wait a minute. There's some blue sky back in there. Let's see. Boy, I think that case sounds terrible. Yeah, I thought. Ooh, a nice little breeze. I told Jumpin' James we might have something, but ooh, I need to go check on my rice here, y'all. So, tell you what, give me a couple minutes. Yeah, I almost forgot. Almost forgot about that. Almost forgot about my rice. So, hey man, y'all give me a couple minutes. I'm gonna go tend to my rice, and I'll see y'all here in a few minutes. I'll grab my monopod and the cradle. All right, August 8th, 2022. Wacky Weatherman. Hang on a minute, y'all. Hold on. Ooh, look at that back. Oh, look at that right there. I must have got that bird. Well, now you get to see. Tell you what, I'll use I'll just use the zoom on the, I'll just use the pinch zoom thing on the camera. To kind of make that better. Because that's just awful. Wow, look at that, folks. Check that out, man. Yeah, like I said, I'll just use the... Oh yeah, looks like we might actually get something now, huh? Sure might. Wind's picking up a little bit. Let me get my sandal. Let me get my shoes here, y'all. Wait a minute, hold on a minute. Let me go. Let's look at that right there. There we go. Okay. Let me get my duds on. Dang it. Grab these suckers. Okay. Oh yeah, there we go. At least I don't lock myself out. It's back into that area. Got some awesome thunder happening here too, y'all. I like to zoom in with the pinch zoom, the lens, so I don't have to worry about that. That's probably what I'll do. There's some blue clouds right there. Oh, I felt a drop of rain, y'all. I surely did. I surely did. And there's several drops of rain. Oh, it's coming. It's going to be coming from back in the air. There's some rain in there. Let me tell you, there's some rain in there. That's where it's coming from. There's some rain in there, boy. There's some rain in there. Let's zoom out a little bit. Not too. I'm not gonna zoom in too far. Yeah, there's some rain in there. Ooh, there's some lightning in there. Yeah, I think we might want to start heading in. All right, y'all. Let's move. Let me get over here. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. Groovy. Enjoy it while you can, y'all. We're almost through the... I'll stand right here, because it's not bad yet. But I don't want to be down there if I don't gotta be. If I just don't gotta be down there, you know what I mean? I just don't gotta be down there. Here's gonna be that pop-up shower like I was telling y'all earlier. I'm not really doing anything as of yet. I know I'm getting wet. I'm gonna keep myself right. There we go. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes, y'all. Huh? It's raining now. But you want to see?
I see.
Okay, you want to go play in it? It don't look like it's going to do anything as of right now. Don't look like it's just going to do anything as of right now at the moment. Alright, y'all, well, that was fun. Nothing there. So, well, there's some more thunder in there. Well, I got some storms here for y'all. What we're going to be doing, I got some storms here that you guys are going to love. So, here in the wintertime. Just a little bit of rain. It's not really doing anything. I'm trying to... Oh, looks like it's time to head back in again. I'll tell you what, y'all. We'll let this thing do its voodoo. It do. And we'll turn this back on here in a little bit, and we'll just see what happens. So, as of right now, it's not doing anything. Just raining a little bit. You got to hear some awesome thunder. So... it's just not doing anything right now. Well, it's raining, but it's not storming. So anyway, y'all, we'll turn this back on here in a little bit. We'll just see what happens. So I'm actually going to charge this thing up for a little bit. So you guys just be groovy. And yeah, so that's it. All right, y'all. August 8th, 2022, Wacky Weatherman. We'll turn it back on here in a little bit. All right, y'all, it's been a little bit, but it's still not doing anything. It's about doing the same thing as it did just a bit ago. So nothing at all, nothing, no junk, no garbage. Deck is wet. So anyway, hey y'all, Wacky Weatherman. Hold on a minute. Let me get my thing. Let me get my other shoe on. There we go. It is. I guess the weather's done. Well, anyway, I guess that's it. So, hey, man, we're fixing to go eat. And the wacky weather, man. Nothing here at the show, y'all. So I guess we'll do this again and see y'all here tomorrow or Wednesday. And, man, yeah, you guys just be groovy. Wacky Weatherman, August 8th, 2022. Wacky Weatherman, I'll see y'all in the next one. Like I said, there's nothing here. It's going to be a very short ending. So, anyway, yeah, boy, that's it. All right, you guys, well, nothing going on. It's, heard some nice thunder, seen some rain, some wind, a little bit of lightning, so very groovy. All right, y'all, so another one down in the books. See y'all later, y'all be groovy. Oh, there we go.